came across a MONOWIZ file from a Mono development environment. These are wizard configuration files for the cross-platform .NET implementation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these Mono wizard configuration files. My experience tells me that some MONOWIZ files require a professional bypass technique. I'll walk you through that secret method once the standard troubleshooting is complete. MONOWIZ files are wizard configuration files used by the Mono cross-platform .NET implementation development environment. They store wizard step definitions, project templates, and configuration parameters for guided project creation and development workflows. MONOWIZ files typically use XML or text format, storing wizard step sequences, template references, default, parameter values, and project configuration settings, following Mono's wizard specification for development environment integration and project scaffolding. The proper file association links MONOWIZ directly to the Visual Studio Code solution by Microsoft. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows exposes the configuration layout, but altering it safely requires context from the application. Let's address the application conflict directly. Right-click your MONOWIZ file and choose Open With. Check for Visual Studio Code and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That is the simplest path to a solution. If your MONOWIZ file still refuses to load, we are dealing with one of 3 predictable errors. Let's check them off with this easy list right now. First, opening as text. Open the MONOWIZ file in a text editor like Visual Studio Code or Notepad++ to inspect the wizard configuration. The text-based format reveals wizard structure parameters and template references, enabling manual review and modification of development workflow definitions. Next, loading in Mono tools. Use MonoDevelop or Visual Studio for Mac with Mono integration to load MONOWIZ files. The development environment registers the wizard, making it available through the New Project dialog for creating projects based on the configured template. Finally, migrating to Modern .NET. Convert MONOWIZ wizards to Modern .NET project templates using .NET New Template format. Recreate the project structure and parameters using the .NET CLI template engine for ongoing use with current .NET 6, 7, and 8 development workflows, replacing legacy Mono tooling. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.